Hey guys, Claudio here from Innova Heating Co. with another one of our great unboxing videos. Today we're going to talk about our flush mount kit, and this particular one here is a 39-inch version. We also have them for a 61-inch version, and just to let you know, they come in 3 different finishes: the stainless steel finish, a white finish, and a black finish to match all of our stocked heaters. And these bad boys are made of 18 gauge 304 stainless steel. So let's get at it. This is what you'd want to use for a seamless ceiling installation. All right, we're going to get rid of that. A magical assistant who's not actually there. Inside the box, you're going to find your trusty instruction manual. It has a lot of great pertinent information in there that you're going to need, not only for the installation, but also how to install the unit with a fireproof box on the inside of the ceiling cavity. So hang on to that, don't get rid of that. What you'll also have is a package just like this one here. And what this has in it, all of our flush mount kits come with a 4-foot high temperature whip, as well as high heat ceramic wire nuts. These whips are available in longer lengths, so if you need a 6-foot or an 8-foot or a 10-foot and so on, you just call us for a special order and we'll make sure we get you the right length of that whip. So make sure you don't get rid of that, keep it to the side. Let's get on taking the styrofoam corner protectors out of that box so they can release this bad boy. Put those to the side. As I mentioned earlier, here's that 18 gauge 304 stainless steel. It's a very heavy duty metal on that. This is what the inside of it or the back side of it would look like, which goes inside of your ceiling cavity. All the instructions are in that manual on what size hole you should be cutting and how to properly prepare the installation for before you put the heater in, of course. This is what the front side of it, or the side that you would see flush on the ceiling, hence we call it a flush mount kit. And this is what you'd see on that side. Again, like I mentioned, it comes in the 3 finishes and the 2 sizes: stainless steel, white or black, 39-inch version, and a 61-inch version for our bigger heaters. Thank you for your time and looking forward to seeing you the next time.